Hi guys, it's Martin. Medicine cabinets can appear dated in a bathroom, especially since most vanities already provide much needed storage. Today's DIY project involves turning this potential eyesore into a beautiful design feature by using the existing opening in the wall and transforming it into a decorative niche. Let's get started. Materials needed are 1x4 pine boards, 1x3 pine boards, birch plywood, panel nails, 1.5-inch finish nails, 1.5-inch wood screws, a cordless drill, wood putty, paint, wood glue, tape measure, hammer, nail set, and caulking. We begin by removing the existing medicine cabinet from the wall and take measurements of the height, width, and depth of the opening. Using my circular saw, I cut 1x4 boards to create a frame that will fit inside the opening. Remember, your local home improvement store can possibly make these cuts for you. Pre-drill the holes and attach all the pieces together with wood screws. With our frame complete, it's best to do a test fit before proceeding to the next step. It fits. I can now cut the birch plywood to the same dimensions of the box and attach with small panel nails to the back. We basically created a shadow box. To cover any gaps between the drywall and our new insert, I'm using the 1x3 boards as a decorative frame around the niche. Apply wood glue and secure with finish nails, keeping the trim flush with the inside edge of the box. To disguise the nail, I countersink the head using a nail set and apply some wood putty. Once dry, simply sand it down for a smooth finish. Next, we paint our newly created shadow box. I'm using a foam roller which is ideal for smooth surfaces and painting the niche white to complement the trim in the bathroom. Once I insert the shadow box, the fit is like a glove and tight enough where honestly I don't have to screw it into the wall studs. But if yours fits looser, use screws and make sure the head sits below the wood surface so that you may cover the hole with wood putty, just like we did around the decorative frame. Finally, use caulking around the edges for a professional finish and touch up wall paint if necessary. I love this project, I really mean it. I know I always say the same thing at the end of every video, but in this case, I love how we took a dated element that wasn't really being used and we turned it into a beautiful focal point in this guest bathroom. The shelf is narrow enough for a scented room diffuser, soaps, and other decorative accessories. Hope you enjoyed this DIY inspiration and make sure you check out my other ideas right here at createtv.com. I'll see you soon.